name is John Schurman. I'm from Shreveport, Louisiana. I started a company called Voxel Evolution. We do business as Luxe Auto Concepts, and we invented LightWrap. LightWrap is a headlight and taillight tinting vinyl that can also be used on automotive chrome. It tints the shades down and you can control the finish of the light. So if you have a glossy taillight, you can actually make it satin, carbon fiber, brushed metal, honeycomb effect. And the major differentiator between it and the competition is it has air release channels. So it installs much like a car wrap vinyl, very, very fast, and it's got all of the durability that you can expect from a high quality car wrap vinyl. So because our product is a cast vinyl, it's opening up an entirely new palette to restylers. They're actually able to make the taillights of the car look three-dimensional carbon fiber, and when the brake is applied, the light still shines through. So your wrap artists are getting an entire new palette of colors. Your window tinters get a product that they can install 60 to 70% faster than anything else on the market. So it really fits into a couple of different spaces in the restyling industry. The business really means everything to me in the way that I'm a creative, I get to invent new products, I'm getting to impact with an industry that I probably otherwise wouldn't be able to from a small city that I'm from, and that's something that I didn't expect.